Hello friends, my name is Katie File and I am the Division I President of the American Legion Auxiliary, and I am so glad that you joined me today. We are going to go over how to make a video so you can present your information to other members of the American Legion Auxiliary. So let's get started. If you have a smartphone and you're able to make pictures, open up that camera, slide it over, and see if your phone has video capability. If it does, there you go. You can make a video. If you're working from your laptop or your desktop computer, you can go and find out if you have an internal camera by checking out your system options. You can also get an external camera. I would suggest you borrow it from a friend and just hook that on top of your computer. There, now that we have cameras looking at us, how do we record us? Well, the program I'm using right now is called QuickTime. Let me show you what that looks like. QuickTime Player. Let me slide that down so you can see it. The QuickTime Player is a program where you can make a video. So if you go into your search bar where the magnifying glass is and type in QuickTime Player, that should pull up the program. And once you open that program, it'll bring up a box of just like on your phone, video, and it'll be looking at you. And all you have to do is hit the record button and start talking. It is that easy. Once you are done recording, you hit the save button. And then give me a shout out, an email, a phone call, however you want to do that. And then we can go over how you can send that video to me. At this point, I think the easiest would be for everybody to upload it to YouTube by themselves. But it'd be easier if I can talk you through it versus just sending me all this information and then having to upload again. Let's try to keep it as easy as we possibly can. So now we know how to record our video. What are we going to put in our video? How are we going to set the scene for our video? How are we going to share information? Well, first off, you have to think about your environment. I am an online educator, so I teach children around the world English. It's kind of fun. But what's very important for me is to find a quiet area where you don't hear dogs barking, neighbors mowing their lawn, which he just started when I hit record. You don't hear people talking in the background. You don't hear televisions. You don't hear phones. Cut everything off. It's a 3 to 5 minute video. Find 3 to 5 minutes to have a quiet environment. You want some good lighting. Surprisingly enough, the bathroom in many houses has the best lighting. Yes, it does. So it is not weird to take your laptop, whatever, into the bathroom and set it on the counter, sit in a chair, and then behind you, you would have a wall. I strongly suggest you have a wall behind you. And then hang up something to create your environment. This is the bunting off my front porch. This is a scarf that somebody gave me. If I didn't have that material, I just have a tablecloth hanging on the wall. This stuff right here, that's part of my classroom that I have hidden. When you're in a living room and there's space behind you, the presenter gets lost and you become part of the picture instead of the picture. So you want to have a smaller environment, confined environment, where it is easy for the camera to pick up just you and not people walking behind you or the dog barking at the mailman or the cat knocking stuff off the counter. If you kind of like really nervous to do a video, let me tell you something. Nobody knows what's going on from here down. So if you have your puppy in your lap, nobody will know it. If you have your cat in your lap, nobody will know it. If you have an 8-year-old under your desk coloring, nobody will know it. Whatever you need to do to calm yourself so you can make a good presentation, Go ahead and do it. Share your information that you have in a way that people will be able to see it and understand it. Props are really great to share. So if I wanted to share a prop with you guys, a prop is anything you bring into the picture, it would have to be bright and clear. So if I was going to say I'm giving certificates at the next conference, I would grab a certificate and show you. The certificate that I have here is one of my teaching certificates. I'm staying in the picture. You can see this certificate in the picture. The words are large. They're not busy. There's contrasting colors. Whatever information you're going to share, whether it be a certificate or just a chart or something, make sure people can see it. So you're ready to make your video, but you want to spice it up a little. I like to use a program called CamTwist. CamTwist is for Apple products, but there are other programs out there that will work on your computer. So what does CamTwist do for me? Well, CamTwist will add my name. Pretty cool. It will add something like the auxiliary symbol right here, or I might want to look at the auxiliary website, and we can actually scroll through the website while we are talking. And I can show you how to do that with CamTwist. I'm not as familiar with programs such as ManyCam, but there are enough videos on YouTube that can help us get through this process. So get up with me if it's something that you think you want to do and you want to add more pizzazz to your video. Let me know. We'll work on it together. And if I don't know the answers, we will find someone who does. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me. And I hope we have many, many successful videos. Hey, remember, if you're feeling shy, it's okay. If you're feeling a little nervous about making this video, it's okay. If you want one of us to come hang out while you do it, give me a call. Oh, hey, I can put my number on the screen. Are you ready for this? I am going to make a text box right here, and I'm going to put my number in the text box. My number is 910-200-6014. Can you hear me typing? And then I'm going to, you ready? Boom. There's my phone number. Once you learn how to use these programs, oh, they're so easy. It's the learning process that takes a little bit of time. But thank you, friends. If you need anything, give me a call. You have my email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Take care.